Ruck in the Muck. Beyond the old barbed wire we found a field of play, a field for games of rugby behind our house all day. The field is full of squelches of reeds and weeds and wet thistles and sheep droppings, and cowpats are a threat. Without its oil and engine an old Land Rover sits, just like the rusty tractor, all stones and bones and bits. But like my big brother, I know this field of fame is our Millennium Stadium once we begin our game. The sheep are our supporters, the crows are on their feet, the blackbird brings his whistle to ref the game. Tweet, tweet! My brother's always England, and I am always Wales, and though we're real buddies, we battle hard as nails. The fans are all bleating, the stadium is tense. We start when my brother kicks off from the fence. The oval ball rises as high as the tree, then falls like an acorn at speed towards me. My head's spinning skywards, the reeds grab my toes, before the ball bounces and bombs on my nose. I want to start crying and run home to mum, but no, I am braver, so fee, fi, fo, fum. I risk it and rescue the ball from the muck, and run like a sheepdog and not a small duck. I scurry, I squirrel, I leap like a lamb, I gallop and go like the sprinter I am. I jink past the tractor and dummy the weeds, and gracefully glide past the thistles and reeds. But my brother Samson's as hard as a post. He tackles and folds me in half like some toast. Next, Samson's decided that he wants a scrum to push, twist and crush me as small as a crumb. The Englishman grabs me, but from him I fly. Yes, Wales really needs me. I must score a try.